Enjoy cafe-style coffee in seconds with the Keurig K-Elite single-serve coffee maker featuring customizable brew sizes and bold flavor options. Fast, simple, and versatile, perfect coffee at the touch of a button. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Keurig K-Elite single-serve coffee maker, water reservoir with lid, water filter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. The Keurig K-Elite is designed for easy and convenient brewing, featuring dedicated buttons for coffee, hot water, and iced beverages. Users can choose from 5 cup sizes, activate the strong brew option for a bolder flavor, or use the iced setting to brew over ice. The hot water function is ideal for tea, instant soup, oatmeal, and hot cocoa without needing a K-cup pod. The brewer also includes programmable settings for time, brew temperature, auto on, and auto off, along with reminders for descaling maintenance. Simply fill the reservoir, power on the machine, wait for it to heat up, insert a K-cup pod, select your desired settings, and brew a fresh cup in under a minute. How to clean. To descale the Keurig K-Elite, begin by disabling the auto-off feature and removing the water filter. Empty the reservoir, fill it halfway with white vinegar, and run 10-ounce brew cycles without a K-cup until the add water light turns on. Let the brewer sit for 3 hours to allow the vinegar to break down mineral buildup. After soaking, empty, and rinse the reservoir thoroughly, refill it with fresh water, and run several large brew cycles without a pod to flush out any remaining vinegar. Once the brewer is fully rinsed, reinstall the water filter and resume normal use. Smart features? The spacious removable reservoir lets you brew up to 8 cups before needing a refill, saving time and effort. Its large capacity is perfect for busy households, offices, and frequent coffee drinkers. Increases brew time to extract a bolder, more intense coffee flavor for a richer cup, perfect for those who prefer a stronger taste without changing coffee pods. Brews hot coffee at a stronger concentration so it stays flavorful when poured over ice. Delivers smooth, refreshing iced coffee without getting watered down. Choose from 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup sizes to match your preferred strength and cup size. Gives you full control over every brew, from small, strong shots to larger cups. Lets you set auto-on scheduling, brew temperature, and hot water options for added convenience. Customize your coffee experience for perfect taste, strength, and timing every day. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Keurig K-Elite single-serve coffee maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Keurig K-Elite single-serve coffee maker. See you at the next one.